Good morning. Welcome.
Good morning, thank you.
Do you need a basket?
Yes, where are they?
They're right here.
Thank you. Are there any shopping carts?
Yes, they are outside the door.
Do I need a coin for the cart?
Yes, you need a $1 coin.
I only have a $5 bill.
I can change that for you.
That is very kind of you.
Here are your coins.
Thank you so much.
You are very welcome.
What time do you close today?
We close at 10 p.m.
Okay, I have plenty of time.
Yes, please take your time. Would you like a store flyer?
What is a flyer?
It shows today's sales and discounts.
Oh, yes, please.
Apples are on sale today.
Perfect. I love fresh apples.
The fresh fruit is in aisle 1.
Where is the hand sanitizer?
It is next to the main door.
Let me clean my hands first.
That is a very good idea.
Is the store busy right now?
No, it is quite slow today.
I like shopping when it is quiet.
Me too. It is much more relaxing.
Do you sell reusable bags?
Yes, at the checkout counter.
Perfect. I will buy one later.
Enjoy your shopping.
Thank you. See you later. Look at all this fruit.
Everything is very fresh today.
Where are the bananas?
They are right behind you.
Are they ripe yet?
Yes, they are ready to eat.
I will take this bunch.
Do you need a plastic bag?
Yes, please.
The bags are on the roll here.
How much are the tomatoes?
They are $2 a kilo.
How do I weigh them?
Put them on the scale.
Okay, like this?
Yes, then press the tomato picture.
Oh, it printed a sticker.
Put the sticker on the bag.
That is very easy.
Do you need any vegetables?
I need some onions and garlic.
They are in the next aisle.
Are these organic apples?
Yes, the green ones are organic.
I will take 3 green apples.
Good choice. They are sweet.
Do you have fresh strawberries?
No, we are sold out today.
That is okay. Maybe tomorrow.
We get more every morning.
I also need some potatoes.
The potatoes are in the big bags.
This bag is too heavy for me.
We have small bags over here.
Perfect. I will take a small one.
Can I help you find anything else?
Where is the fresh salad?
The salad is in the fridge section.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, hello.
Hello, what can I get for you?
I would like some chicken, please.
Chicken breasts or chicken legs?
2 chicken breasts, please.
Okay, let me weigh that for you.
How much is it?
It is $6.50.
That is fine.
Here's your chicken.
Do you sell fresh fish?
The fish is at the next counter.
Okay, thank you. Where is the milk?
Milk is in the big fridges behind you.
Which one is whole milk?
Whole milk has the red cap.
I see it now, thanks. This milk expires tomorrow.
Look at the bottles in the back.
Ah, this one is good for a week.
Yes, always check the date.
Do you have butter?
The butter is next to the yogurt.
I only need a small block.
The small blocks are on the top shelf.
I found it. I am looking for cheese.
We have many kinds of cheese.
I want cheese for a sandwich.
Try this sliced cheddar cheese.
Is it spicy?
No, it is very mild.
Okay, I will take 1 pack. Where are the eggs?
The eggs are in aisle 5.
Are they kept cold?
No, they are on the normal shelf.
Good to know. Thank you.
Happy shopping!
It smells so good in here.
We just baked fresh bread.
Can I have a warm baguette?
Yes, here is a fresh one.
Thank you. It feels very soft.
Be careful, it is still hot.
Do you have sliced bread?
Yes, for toast or sandwiches.
I need bread for toast.
The white bread is on that shelf.
Can you slice this loaf for me?
Yes, thick or thin slices.
Thick slices, please.
Give me 1 moment.
Take your time.
Here is your sliced bread.
Thanks. What are these small cakes?
Those are chocolate muffins.
They look delicious.
They are on sale today. Buy 2, get 1 free.
I will take 3 muffins then.
I will put them in a box.
Do you sell birthday cakes?
Yes, in the cold display case.
Can you write a name on it?
Yes. What name do you want?
The name is Sarah.
I can do that in 5 minutes.
I don't need a cake today, thanks.
No problem. Next time.
Are these cookies soft or hard?
The chocolate chip cookies are very soft.
I will take a pack of cookies too.
Is that everything from the bakery?
Yes, that is all.
I will print your barcode.
Where do I pay?
You pay at the front checkout.
Have a nice day.
Enjoy your fresh bread.
I am looking for bottled water.
Still water or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
It is on the bottom shelf.
Do you have big bottles?
Yes, the 5-liter bottles are there.
I need some orange juice too.
The juice is right next to the water.
Does this juice have sugar in it?
No, it is 100% natural juice.
Great. I will buy one. Where can I find Coca-Cola?
Soda is in the next aisle, aisle 6.
Thanks. I also need some snacks.
We have potato chips right here.
What is the most popular flavor?
Salt and vinegar is very popular.
I prefer cheese flavor.
The cheese chips are in the yellow bag.
Found them. Are there any healthy snacks?
We have nuts and dried fruit.
Where are the mixed nuts?
They are on the top shelf.
I cannot reach them.
Let me get them for you.
Thank you for your help.
Here you go. 1 bag of nuts.
I also need some hot coffee.
We do not sell hot coffee here.
Where is the coffee powder?
Coffee and tea are in aisle 7.
Okay, I'm going there now.
Do you like green tea?
Yes, I drink it every morning.
We have a big sale on green tea today.
That is lucky for me.
The tea is on the left side.
Got it. Thanks again.
No problem at all.
Excuse me, where is the soap?
Bar soap or liquid soap?
Liquid soap for washing hands.
It is halfway down this aisle.
Do you sell shampoo?
Yes, shampoo is next to the soap.
I am looking for toothpaste.
Toothpaste is on the top shelf.
Which one is for sensitive teeth?
The blue box is for sensitive teeth.
I will take the blue one. Do you have toilet paper?
Yes, it is in the very last aisle.
I need laundry detergent too.
Liquid or powder detergent?
I prefer the liquid kind.
It is in the big orange bottle.
Wow, this bottle is very heavy.
Put it at the bottom of your cart.
Good idea. I need to clean my kitchen.
We have kitchen spray right here.
Does it kill bacteria?
Yes, it kills 99% of germs.
I will buy 1 bottle of spray. Where are the garbage bags?
They are next to the cleaning spray.
What size are they?
These are for a large kitchen bin.
Perfect. That is what I need. Do you sell batteries?
Yes, batteries are at the checkout.
Okay, I will ask the cashier.
Did you find everything you need?
I think my cart is full now.
You bought a lot of things.
Yes, I am stocking my kitchen.
The checkout lines are open now.
Which line is the fastest?
Line number 3 is empty.
Excuse me, are you the manager?
Yes, I am. How can I help?
I made a small mistake.
What happened? Are you okay?
I am fine.
I dropped a jar.
Did the glass break?
Yes, there is glass on the floor.
Please step away from the glass.
I am so sorry about this.
Do not worry, accidents happen. I will call someone to clean it up.
Should I pay for the jar?
No, you do not need to pay.
Thank you. You were very kind.
Was it a jar of jam?
Yes, strawberry jam.
You can go grab another one.
Okay, I will be careful this time. Actually, I have another problem.
How else can I help you?
I lost my shopping list.
Where did you have it last?
I had it in the fruit section.
Let's go look for it together.
Was it found at the front desk?
Let me check my radio. Yes, someone found a piece of paper.
That must be my list.
You can pick it up at the checkout.
Thank goodness. Can I ask one more question?
Of course, go ahead.
Does this store deliver groceries?
Yes, if you order online.
Is there a delivery fee?
It is free for orders over $50.
That is very convenient.
Here is a card with our website.
Thank you for all your help today.
My pleasure.
Have a great day.
Hello. Did you find everything?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Please put your basket here.
Here are my groceries.
Do you need any bags today?
Yes, I need 2 bags, please.
Paper or plastic?
Paper bags are fine.
Do you have a store card?
No, I am just visiting.
Okay. Beep.
Can you pack the eggs on top?
Yes, I will be careful with them.
Thank you so much.
These apples look very nice.
Yes, they were on sale.
Oh, this item has no barcode.
It is the fresh bread from the bakery.
Ah, I will type the code manually.
How much is everything?
Your total is $42.
How would you like to pay? Can I pay by credit card?
Yes. Please insert your card.
Okay, it is processing.
Please enter your PIN number.
Done. Did it work?
Yes, it is approved.
Do you need my signature?
No, that is not necessary. Would you like your receipt?
Yes, please put it in the bag.
Here you go.
Can I leave my cart here?
Please push it to the door.
Oh, I forgot to buy batteries.
There are some on the rack beside you.
Never mind, I will buy them next time.
Thank you for shopping with us.
Goodbye. Have a good weekend.